Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a refreshing drink called Sweet Potato Pineapple Refresher. I'll be using, as the name suggests, sweet potato and pineapple along with ginger and sugar. The potatoes were diced and boiled beforehand. I'm going to start by adding the sweet potatoes, which were allowed to cool, to the blender. Next, I'm going to add the pineapples, along with the ginger and the sugar. I'm adding 4 cups of water. And then I'm going to blend well. I'm now going to strain the drink using a strainer. I'm using a big one because the small one will take a much longer time for it to strain. You can use a spoon so that it goes through faster. Serve over ice. To the liquor glass, I'm adding some coconut rum. Here we have it, sweet potato pineapple refresher. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share.